Okay, so the meniscus is the curve in the upper surface of the liquid close to the surface of the container or other objects, which is caused by surface tension. How you measure the volume of the meniscus is that basically when you're looking at your pipette, you'll see the volumes between 4 and 5. And then from the meniscus, you'll measure from the bottom of the curve, and then you'll measure anywhere in between the 0.5 of the labeled measurement.
Okay, please note the pipette was rinsed with water in solution 3 times each before use. In order to draw up a volume, place the bulb on the top end of the pipette, which is the end with 2 white stripes. Once placed, squeeze the bulb and submerge into the liquid. Releasing the squeezed bulb will draw up the liquid into the pipette. Draw the liquid up to the 0 mm line and place your finger over the top to create a vacuum seal. This is your initial volume. Transfer liquid to the reaction vessel by releasing the top. Because the liquid was stopped in between the 5 and the 4, the final volume is going to be 4.45 because of where the meniscus lies.
In order to draw the volume, place the bulb on the top end of the pipette, which is the end with 2 white stripes. Once placed, squeeze the bulb and submerge into the liquid. Releasing the squeezed bulb will draw the liquid into the pipette. Draw the line up to the 0 mm mark and place your finger over the top to create a vacuum seal. This is your initial volume. Transfer the liquid to the reaction vessel by releasing the top, which will release the liquid. And then you'll stop, and then you'll record your final volume, which here, since the meniscus is down to this mark between 4 and 5, it's about 4.1 for the final volume.
In order to draw up a volume, place the bulb at the top end of the pipette, which is the end with the 2 white stripes. Place the squeezed bulb on the pipette and submerge in the liquid. Releasing the squeezed bulb draws the liquid up into the pipettes. It appears we have an initial volume between 0 and 1, which is approximately 1.55. After you record your initial volume, you bring it over to the transfer vessel. You release the desired amount into the transfer vessel, stop, and record your final volume, which in this case is between 4 and 5 and is approximately 4.5. To get your total volume released into the jar, you take your final volume, subtract it from your initial volume, and you get the volume is in the beaker.
We record the data from this experiment in our notebooks. First, we record the initial volume of the pipette, and then we record its final volume. In order to record the beaker volume from the pipette data, we subtract the initial volume from the final volume. Our initial volume was 1.55 milliliters. Our final volume was 4.5 milliliters. So according to our formula, final volume minus initial volume equals total volume. The total volume is 2.95 milliliters, and we record these steps in our notebooks.